Standard 2nd, English, revision for half yearly exam. Here question number 1 is answer the following questions. Okay, so I am beginning here with the question answer. So as you will watch this video, you have to do drilling work as I am doing. So you can learn these question answers for your half yearly exam easily. Okay, so I am beginning with first question and I will repeat one question 2 times and answer also 2 times. So as I am doing this, do practice at home so you can learn this question answer and all very easily. So first is, what does everyone do in the new town? Everyone frowns in the new town. What does everyone do in the new town? Everyone frowns in the new town. Again, what does everyone do in the new town? Everyone frowns in the new town. What does Anita do when she meets the strange man again? Again I am repeating. What does Anita do when she meets the strange man again? Answer. When Anita meets the strange man again, she smiles at him. Again I am repeating. When Anita meets the strange man again, she smiles at him. Third. Why does Renu not like the rain? Again I am repeating question. Why does Renu not like the rain? Renu does not like the rain because she cannot go to the park to play. Renu does not like the rain because she cannot go to the park to play. This first sentence you have to copy from here. See, Renu, Renu. Here not written, but in between Renu and not, just you have to add does. Not, like, the, rain, rain. Okay? So from here you have to learn because she cannot go to the park to play. Now 4 number. Why does Renu see? What does Renu see outside? Again, what does Renu see outside? Renu see outside that everything is getting wet. Renu see outside that everything is getting wet. What is Monica's dog's name? What is Monica's dog's name? The name of Monica's dog is Lucky. The name of Monica's dog is Lucky. Now 6 number. How many boxes are there in Amit's bag? How many boxes are there in Amit's bag? There are 2 color boxes in Amit's bag. There are 2 color boxes in Amit's bag. What is the strange toy name? What is the strange toy name? The name of the strange toy is Robert. The name of the strange toy is Robert. Who gave Harry leather to make shoes? Who gave Harry leather to make shoes? So here they are asking question, who gave? So instead of who, just you have to remember Girija. Spelling of Girija is Girija. 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 Afterwards, you have to write each and every word from the question given here. See, instead of who, you have written Girija. Okay. Give, hurry, leather, to, make, shoes. Okay. So answer is Girija give Harry leather to make shoes. So this is the trick that you have to read from question first. You have to understand and afterwards instead of who just you have to write Girija and everything you have to copy it from question only. So you will learn this answer easily. Okay. What are the name of the 3 chickens? Here they have given name of the 3 chickens. That what are the name of the 3 chickens? Smiley, Spotty and Sweetie are the name of the 3 chickens. Here again I am repeating, Smiley, Spotty and Sweetie are the name of the 3 chickens. Spelling of Smiley is S-M-I-L-E-Y Smiley, S-P-O-T-T-Y Spotty and Sweetie, S-W-E-T-Y Sweetie. Okay, so 3 chickens are there and their name is Smiley, Spotty and Sweetie are the name of the 3 chickens. Now 10 number. Whom does the Smiley meet in the outside world? Whom does the, instead of by mistake I have written here D, so does I have done. So don't do mistake in learning that. Whom does the Smiley meet in the outside world? Smiley meets a horse standing near a tree. Smiley meets a horse standing near a tree. Now 11 number. Where is Moon Moon sleeping? Where is Moon Moon sleeping? Moon Moon is sleeping inside the soil. Moon Moon is sleeping inside the soil. What does Moon Moon see as he peeps out of the soil? What does Moon Moon see as he peeps out of the soil? When Moon Moon peeps out of the soil, he sees light around him. What does Moon Moon see as he peeps out of the soil? When Moon Moon peeps out of the soil, he sees light around him. Here, question answer drilling work over. So in next video, I will show you question number 2. So I will repeat question number 2 with drilling work. So as I have done drilling work, same thing you have to do drilling work and learn all these question answers. I hope that you can able to understand these and you can understand my pronunciation also. Okay.